Welcome to Techietalkee. Hello friends. In this video, I'll be explaining you about the nested class in Python, which is nothing but a class inside another class. I'll be telling you on how to write a Python program, create object for the class, and call the underlying methods. So first of all, why do we need a nested class? It is all about how we structure our code. Writing a program is very easy. For example, I can just define only one class for student and write all the relevant methods inside the class. That is, I can write the total and the average calculation methods, checking for the sports eligibility, and the print messages, all inside the same class. But it is just going to be a cumbersome code when it comes to understanding the logic or debugging. So this calls for a need to have a user-friendly code. That is where the nested class comes into picture. So based on the functionality, we can structure our code to have nested class. We'll have the outer class, which is going to tell us what this program is all about, and the inner class will be defined based on the various subdivisions. So in my example, I have the outer class named student, and this class is going to have two methods, which are the print message and the best message. And we are going to have two other inner classes, which are academics and sports. The inner class academics is going to have two methods, which are total and average. And sports is going to have a method, which is to check the eligibility of the student. I'm keeping my example short by having only one method for sports. So you are free to write how many ever methods you want inside the inner class. The true essence of this nested class is that instantiating the outer class does not instantiate the inner class. So to instantiate the inner class, we must first instantiate the outer class. So if I want to access the method total from the class academics, I must first instantiate the class student and then instantiate the class academics, and then I can call the method total. Now let's get into the Python program. Here I'm creating a class student where I'm defining two methods, which are print message and best message. They are going to just print some messages like congratulations, keep up the good work, and all the best. Next, I'm creating an inner class academics, which is going to help me in calculating the total and the average marks of the student. So to perform this calculation, I need to provide the marks as the input. And that is the reason why I've given the init constructor. It is going to take the marks as input. I have another inner class, which is sports, where the value of the age gets assigned at the time of object creation. And I have defined a method here to check for the eligibility based on the age provided. So in the if clause, I'm checking if the age is between 8 and 12. If yes, then I'm going to print a message that you are eligible for basketball, football, and chess sports classes. And then the print message gets printed on the output window. So this is all about the class student perspective. In my program, first I'm instantiating the class student and the object name is going to be student1. This student is the outer class. Next, I'm instantiating the inner class, which is academics, by passing the value of the subject marks, which are 81, 82, and 83. And the object name is going to be AC. So what happens here is that 81 gets assigned to maths, 82 gets assigned to English, and 83 gets assigned to science. On these marks, I need to find the total and the average. So I'm calling AC dot total, which is nothing but the object name dot the method name. And then I'm calling AC dot average. So what happens is on these input marks, I'm calculating the total, which is nothing but I'm adding the sum of these marks and I'm printing it in my output window. Then I'm calculating the average of these three marks and I'm printing in the output window. Finally, I have two print messages, which are the print message and the best message. So congratulations, keep up the good work, and all the best. Both of these messages get printed on my output screen. For the same student, I need to check the eligibility in sports, and for that, I'm instantiating the class sports by passing the age as 11, and the object name that is created is SP. So what happens is 11 gets assigned to the age. Next, I'm calling the method check eligibility. So in the check eligibility, since 11 is in between 8 and 12, this if condition is going to return true. So this print message is going to be printed in my output window. Now let's execute this code and check the result. So first I got this message object created. It has come from the academics constructor. Since I've called the total and the average methods, the total mark and the average mark got printed along with the print messages. Then I've created an object for sports. So again, I got a message called object created. So this has come from the sports constructor. And you are eligible for basketball, football, and chess sports classes. And all the best got printed in my output screen. Hey guys, hope you now understood about the nested classes in Python and how we can call the methods in the inner classes. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.